What is up, you guys? So I have these two pillows. One looks like this, it's completely deformed, and one looks like this. So this is memory foam pillow. I'm gonna show you how you can get them to look like this when they are stored for a long time. Like we had them many pillows stored in these little boxes. So what happened? We need to take a pillow like this and curl it up completely so it would fit in. But it was stored for a very long time, like about 6 months, maybe longer, in a tiny box, and now it's completely deformed. So I want to show you what you can do to get them back to looking full like this. So of course the first step is gonna be to take them out. And what we see now is that it's not that bad actually, it's just this. There is a little crease in here. It's pretty alright if you look at this. It's not that bad. This one was completely, but I mean completely deformed. It was like this and totally compressed, and it wouldn't move back. So, you know, when I got it back, you could say now I'm a little bit of a pro. So what you basically need to do is let that memory foam, oh shit, where was that crease? Because it's gone now. Okay, alright, that's it for the demonstration. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Now I got another neck pillow. So this one has been laying out for a little bit longer, but it only has these two little creases. But they won't come out by themselves. So what you basically need to do is remind the memory foam what it looked like before. So you can do it by poking it, and when it's like minor like this, it might actually come back to its original form. But when it doesn't, you just take your whole hand and squeeze it multiple times. Let it come back and squeeze again. And now that we have two, we can just do it faster, like this. And what we are actually doing is just, you know, when you compress it, you put force in it, so of course it converts inside into heat or other type of energy, and that means it will, I don't know, push back somehow, yeah, whatever the force is. I'm not a complete scientist yet, but look. My theory kind of works. And if you just keep doing this, I mean, even the worst looking thing I could get out to look completely fine like this. So yeah, just do it for a long time. For this one it took me about 30 minutes. This will take about 5 or less even. This is not bad at all. So I hope this works for you. If not, I'm not a scientist, so don't comment saying it doesn't work. Only say if it does, or yeah, do whatever. Like if you enjoyed, and have a good one. Bye.